Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the GhostFlash channel. In today's video, we are off-roading. I didn't vlog that much coming up yesterday because we came up kind of later in the day. Or we got here later in the day, but we drove up here to this place called Bowman Lake. I brought my truck, Jacob's truck, and his dad's 4Runner. Let's have some clips we got. Brought my boat as well. We took the boat out on the water yesterday, last night. We're doing kayaking this morning. I'm gonna throw in some video footage of us kayaking as well. I think I forgot to take a, I think I took videos the wrong way, so. You think it's shallow in here? What? Should I turn around?
Nah, keep going.
Huh?
Keep going. It's
Yeah, we got a, what's it called? Autopilot.
That does look, yeah, it does. Yeah, look at the tail.
Yeah, look at the tail.
I don't have rat like up here.
Yeah, they do. That is a rat. That has to be.
Fuck.
Oh yeah, that is. You can definitely see the tail.
I almost got fucking killed.
Yeah, that's a rattler.
Literally almost stepped on that motherfucker.
What?
I did. I went around. I'm like, "Ooh, okay. What are we
Yeah,
gonna do about
I
it?
thought you saw a bear or something.
No. Okay. That's cool.
Y'all can't even tell on video, but this water here is like 20 feet deep. Just from right here is like 10 feet, and then it drops to just black abyss. Waterfalls, another pond pool up there, and then the waterfall keeps coming up from way up there on top of the mountain. This is legit the best swimming hole I'd ever found in my life. You could probably cliff jump from up here, or even cliff jump from up here straight into this water. So right behind me is something extremely amazing. So the lake is on the other side of this mountain right on over here, and we kayaked around the lake. We saw a little cove. We dumped the kayaks, walked the cove. There's a trail that walked all the way around. It came up to a stream where I found this swimming hole. I was like, hey, let me follow the water all the way back up to the top and see where it's coming from. So I followed the water up to here, and it led to me this cliff jumping spot. So we probably got a 30+ foot cliff jump spot right here. Maybe like 20 feet, 25 feet right here. And the water drops to about 20, 30 feet. Just at the edge alone, it's like 10 feet and then drops to black abyss. So probably the best cliff jumping spot I had ever found. And I just wanted to share you guys this experience. Because who knows when I'll be back. Who knows if I'll ever come here again. But I just want to document this for me to see and for you guys to enjoy as well. And as you guys can see, more waterfalls coming down the mountain. So sick. Probably one of the best views I've ever seen. Alright guys, we're all aboard the John Ghost. It's John Ghost. Instead of a John boat, it's a John Ghost. It's GhostFlash. We got Jacob on here. We're out here fishing. Lake Bowman, Tahoe National Forest. We got the rigs over there. We got Jacob's truck, we got my truck, and then we got Jacob's dad's 4Runner. We got 2 motors in the back, the extra pole, the bilge pump, gas tank, main bilge pump. What is this? Knower? Paddle? What are you gonna call us? The speakers? What the? What are you gonna call us? The speakers? What the? Yeah, I think I got that on video. This dude look like a cat over here playing with his toy.
I'll be fishing up.
But look at this view. We got a Tacoma setup up there with the rooftop tent. Jacob over here rocking the boat.
It's because you're scooting all the way down.
Yeah, because you're over there, so scoot back to your side.
I don't want to be by the way.
Alright.
You want to be by the hook, you can be by the hook.
Hey, yo.
Touch your hand.
Stay on your side. Alright, go back to the music. Alright, we let Jacob drive the John boat. Or John Ghost! My bad! I wanted to go to this island. He's not gonna let me go to this island. So he told me I can videotape it, that's about it. So I guess this is me videotaping it for y'all. Yeah.
I'm trying to hit the hook, man.
Sure.
It doesn't too fast.
Alright, well, we're gonna go back to vibing. Oh, you can go through the island. And there's more islands. Oh, that's dope. Let me try to zoom in so you guys can kind of see. You can go in right in between right here. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Jake's over doing donuts. Got the trucks over there. funny, huh?
Look at that. Julie, let it go.
I want to drive through the water. I have the trailer hooked up. All right, so you guys now see there's an extra boat. We got my John Ghost. We got Jacob's new boat. We got his kayak. So we got picked up this boat while we're out here, and it was donated to us, which was kind of dope. So we are now trailering 2 boats back home, and we're gonna be getting my boat all fixed up and all pimped out, as well as Jacob's boat as well. So expect a lot of boating videos. We're on this 2-lane road with a mountain next to us and a cliffside to the left. And we are off-roading with both boats and the one on the roof. Sheesh! So we got Jacob behind us and his dad in the front. Pretty dope. Let's see if you can get a little view. Oh yeah, there you go. There's both boats in the back of the trailer. And we are making it happen right on the edge of this cliff, guys. Woo-hoo-wee! There's the island. There she is. All in her glory. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. We got Jacob behind us. Dang. Can I just go back out there on the water? Bro. I want to go out there so bad again. I'm telling y'all, this boat is going to get so done up. It's going to look so clean. From this little oasis in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the forest. Whoa. That's amazing. It's like an untouched oasis over here in the Tahoe National Forest on the trail getting to Bowman Lake. So yeah, we're 40 minutes in and we're still not at the exit yet. And we've been going about 3 miles an hour the entire drive because your boy has 2 boats and a third one on his roof. So Jacob's dad actually taught me a neat trick. So I right now have no gas, no brake. The car is basically going 2 miles an hour, 1 mile an hour by itself. So basically he told me to put the vehicle in 4-low is what I did.
That boy got a big trailer, he going fast.
And then he told me to go to the sport mode and go all the way down to the very first gear, and you will not need the gas or the brake. It'll pretty much tow itself. You just gotta steer because it's in a low gear, which is actually pretty dope. Thank you, Papa Mark, for teaching me that, because that's made this towing great. And he's warning us to find a good place to get over. So I'm gonna get over because we got 2 big vehicles coming. Got this clean FJ coming up. That gnarly looking trailer in the back. Dang, look at that, bro. And we got this clean Bronco to the left. Sorry guys, a little bouncy, but dang, they got the setup. They are with it. The Bronco was female driven and the other one was male driven. So I'm assuming couple. And that is a couple's, I don't even know what to call that. That is a rigged setup. I need something like that.
Suspension from his trailer.
My own lady friend. Look at this dude. Who's man's, bro? I think he's a little bit too excited for this. But yeah, we're right here at this.
Getting a little close up there about the road.
Yeah, what his dad said. But yeah, we're at this little stream. It goes into this mountain. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm going to catch up now. So right now we're about 1 hour and 30 minutes in, halfway. So yeah, I'll go and update you guys when we come out. It's now 7:15. I believe we left about like 5:30-ish. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what time we get out at. Oh, there's the boats. There's Jacob, and there's a cliff. And a cool little rock that's all spray painted. Hey, yo. Just enjoying the sunset. So enjoy it with me, ladies and gentlemen. Dang. We need to go off-roading down this trail, huh?
Yeah. I wonder where it goes. Check it. Probably an old stagecoach trail or something.
I'm out. That looks really cool. That's the best picture I've seen in a while.
The color.
I'm out.
Oh, Lord mercy. Background looks too straight in this. It looks fake as fuck.
Whoa. That's crazy.
Dusty too.